Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to change colors in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app in your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now, to change the colors in the photo, click on the tools at the bottom menu. And from here, click on Tune Image. And if you long press on it and scroll down, you'll see different settings to change the color. Now, I'm gonna edit the photo. And once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes to it. And just like that, we can change color in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.